Get you some. Get you some bread, bro. Always wanted a British accent. I love the way they speak. I got a lot to do today. Currently waiting on this video to upload to YouTube. Go get a car wash. I need to return this memory card to Amazon because the one I bought isn't compatible with my camera because I'm shooting in 4K and that memory card doesn't want to shoot in 4K. I guess it's not fast enough. I have to go get the extreme SD card, so I'm going to return that today to UPS. I need to go get a car wash. I need to go do pick up from Ross, the Amazon locker. And I need to shoot like 3 videos today, so it's gonna be a long day. It's a lot to do. I also need to clean up this entire apartment. I need to do my hair. I need to meal prep. It's a lot I need to do, y'all. A whole lot. So let me get up. It's puffy. Y'all, I just woke up, so of course my face is puffy. Let's go. Jelly toast, butter. Always wanted a British accent. I love the way they speak. Pepper, bacon, a little bit of blackberries, a little bit of strawberries. Let's go. Come cook. ready to run these errands. I ain't got on nothing special. I threw on this quick little fleece pullover from Walmart. Got it for $5. It's so cute, right? Then I got on my loose, flowy pink pants, fanny pack, my keys, got my wallet. I'm ready to go. made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.
Come with me. We need to go somewhere. Yeah. Tonight. Girl, if it's alright, let's go somewhere and get it on tonight. I got a girl, but you look good.